In this video, I'll show you how you can fix blank white desktop icons on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now the first thing that we want to try is we want to come down here and search for Run. In here, search for App Data, press OK and open it. Now on Windows 10, you're going to click on View up here and then Hidden Items. If you're on the Windows 11, there should be a View button somewhere around here, and you can sort it by Hidden Items as well. It's just important that we have Hidden Items on. Then open up Local, scroll down and find Icon Cache and delete this one. Now once we've deleted it, what we want to do is come here and search for Task Manager. Open up the Task Manager, go to Processes, and in here you want to find the Windows Explorer. Now once you found it, you want to right click on it and restart. This is going to make the Icon Cache folder come back, and it might help fix the issue. Now if it's still not fixed, another thing you can try is you can right click on it, Properties, and either under Web Document, and for some files it's under Shortcut, there'll be a Change Icon button. If you click on there, sometimes the icon is already in here. Now for this one, it is under Web Document, Change Icon, and it's not already in there. So what we want to do is we want to find the folder where we have this one downloaded. So obviously this is a Steam game, so I would go to Steam, right click, browse local files. You just need to find the folder, that's the important part. Now once you have the folder where it's installed, click up here, Control C, and then head over here, browse, click up here, Control V, and press enter. In here you should see a little logo, and you want to click on that, open, OK, apply, and OK. And now it should have the logo. Now you can do this with all kind of games or anything where there's a logo involved. So if it was League of Legends, I would right click, Properties, Change Icon, Browse. Then I would find the League of Legends folder, which I can find by doing Open File Location. Come back here and League of Legends, and it should be in here. So I would just copy this one, put it in here, and then I select this one. So that's the other way that you can do it. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.